next question is, what does aspiration mean? Why is it important? Achieving enlightenment for the benefit of all beings is frequently repeated as a motivation. Yet it is obviously not an easy task. Why are we expected to strive for such a great goal, and how can we keep our motivation going? When you see that what I want is not have suffering, pain, problem, dissatisfaction, all negative things. And what I want is freedom from them. I want not only freedom from suffering and pain and problems, but I want the lasting peace, happiness, and joy, the best thing for me. And this is what everybody wants. Everybody wants to have lasting peace and happiness. Nobody wants to have suffering, pain, problems, neither for themselves nor for their loved ones. So therefore, if you look deeply, that is the ultimate, the best thing that we can get. That's if you say, if somebody asks, I'll give you the best thing, the ultimate thing what you want, and what is that? Then I could say that I want that. I want complete happiness, lasting peace and happiness for myself, and lasting peace and happiness for everybody, without leaving anyone out. That's and that's the ideal. That is an ideal motivation, the most ideal, compassionate motivation, because it is wishing the best for everybody. Now, of course, that's not easy, because even to free yourself from suffering is not easy. Understanding or discovering yourself, your true nature, and completely, finding your own, free yourself from ignorance, and then, find, experience the innate wisdom and compassion and all positive qualities that's in you is not easy. So therefore, to make that happen, to bring that to all people, is almost impossible. But since it can happen to one person, it can happen to two persons, it can happen to 1 million people, it can happen to 1 billion people, so it could happen to everybody also. So therefore, that is the highest and the ultimate kind of goal, or aspiration. So therefore, we pray for that, we dedicate for that, we wish that to happen, and then we work at our own level, whatever we can. It can take lots of time. That's okay. It will be not easy. That's okay. And maybe there's not much help. That's also okay. And that is the aspiration of a bodhisattva, a great bodhisattva. It's not necessary that every Buddhist should have that aspiration. You can have also, like, may I be free from suffering, and be free from this samsaric state of mind, have lasting peace and happiness. You can have that also. So it depends on what kind of motivation you want to have.